I will be making gluten-free spaghetti for about 5 people, and I start with cutting 2 onions. I used 1.5 kilogram of minced pork and beef meat, half a teaspoon of lemongrass, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, about half a teaspoon of black pepper, 3/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, a bit of chili. Use however much salt you would like. I used 2 tablespoons of gluten-free breadcrumbs, and then I added 2 eggs. I'm gonna add more spices to it. Feel free to add more spices that you would like. Okay, and then I'm gonna mix it really well again. Once you're ready mixing your meat with your hands, you can store it in the fridge while we do the rest. For this type of carrot, I actually like to keep the skin on it, but that's definitely optional. I decided to add 10 carrots and chop them into small pieces. Then I added 1 red bell pepper. I decided to add a lot of celery because I absolutely love celery in spaghetti sauces. If you would like to add some other vegetables to the sauce, then you can go ahead and cut those. I decided to add some leek to it as well. Now for the sauce, I added celery, 3 carrots, and 2 cans of peeled tomatoes. About half a teaspoon of black pepper. A pinch of garlic. We'll also add some hot paprika. Some Provencal herbs. About a good teaspoon, probably 2. Also some organic ginger. I made sure to cut off the skin of my ginger. And a clove of garlic. And then it's ready to be blended. Okay, then it is blended. I will heat my pan. I added some salt to my butter, some pepper, some garlic, and just some of my favorite spices. Once the butter is hot enough, you can add the onions and then the rest of your vegetables. Then while your vegetables are baking, you can heat up another pan, add some butter, and then add your meat. I added half of my bowl because my pan was too small. Cooked it until the red was almost all gone. Then I added some tomato paste, half a cup, and then I baked it and then added to the big pan and did the other half of my minced meat. Then you can go ahead and add the blended tomato sauce from earlier into the big pan. Then I added a jar of tomato passata. Once everything has been added, you want to put the heat on low to medium and let it sit like that. Stir occasionally for half an hour. After half an hour, you want to put the heat on low and let it simmer for at least 1.5 hours more. You could always do more than that. The longer, the better, actually. Now I'm gonna make the pasta, so I will add water to my pan and season it with lots of salt. I will be eating mozzarella cheese, grana padano cheese, and Emmentaler cheese with my spaghetti. And then the recipe is done. Enjoy!